Hello everyone, thank you for choosing Mobile Kangaroo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a screen protector with professional results. Everything needed is here in the table, including this iPhone 6 I'll be demonstrating on. This bottle contains 91% alcohol, which you can buy at any drugstore. The tape is ordinary masking tape, and this is a clean microfiber towel. Start by unfolding the towel and wetting it with the alcohol. A single splash is more than enough. Now wipe the phone thoroughly with the towel, removing any grime or leftover adhesive from a prior screen protector. Then, with the dry side, wipe off any excess alcohol and blurry streaks left behind. The display should now be as clean as it gets, save for some dust. Tear off a strip of tape a short amount longer than the phone is wide. Press it down, rub your thumb across, and lift and move down the display. Once finished, pick up any remaining pieces of dust. Be very thorough. A single piece of dust may ruin a perfectly good protector. Once that phone is as pristine as it gets, peel the backing off the protector and hold it over the phone. Align one side of it and apply enough pressure to prevent it from sliding. Align the other side best as possible, double check, and let drop. Run your finger along the center line, then rub out any air gaps to the sides. Give it a final pass with a dry towel, and you're all good to go. Mobile Kangaroo is an Apple authorized service provider offering screen protectors and original hardware repairs on all Apple devices. Check out our website at mobilekangaroo.com or hop into any of our stores for a repair or new protector.